After that, waiting for the weather, we have previously seen a butt and an angry man.
He's leaving.
No, he's getting himself set up for the weather. Dude, you're rolling. He's just having problems.
But
He's like, I gotta clear my throat. I wonder if this.
I never seen this shit before.
I wonder if this is actually on Family Guy or this is. Oh my god, this is real.
I put it over here. That's alright, thanks.
You don't even realize it.
Yeah, they don't even
It
notice.
said something about CBS saved that.
I know.
Good morning, Detroit. Well, here we are midweek, back to work, and get ready for some cold.
What the heck just happened?
Now, by 9 o'clock, you get to work. It's 12 degrees outside.
I see a problem.
That was a huge problem.
That was
Post that on
hilarious.
Facebook.
I can't yet.
That's gonna be a YouTube video.
Oh my god. Do you see a problem with it?
I do. You check out my nipple, yo.
Now it can't go on YouTube because you're exposing flesh.